I like to use my chalk to draw over the cap because it just gives me enough space to go in and just put my tracks on so I can be able to itch my hair, or you know, it just give me a say so of how I want to do my hair. Like, I just don't want tracks overlaying my, you know, wig, and I want to be able to have room to go in and do the other, you know, tracks. So this is how I do my tracks. If you guys want to stick around, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys think about this pixie cut. I'm the flight attendant. Make sure you guys go ahead, get you guys some snacks, and enjoy this flight with my pixie cut. So yeah, I'm the flight attendant for pixie cuts. So if you guys want to go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight, that'll be a good idea. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is how I, you know, place my track on. I will like put it underneath the line, as you guys can see, not where the light, I mean the white part is, but I will put it like where the black part is. That'll give me a say so of how I do my tracks. But I want you guys to sit back and just let me do my thing on my hair, like a luxury style type of look. That's what I'm going for. Especially, you know, she want her hair like, I'm gonna call her Roxy. Roxy wants her hair like, she wants to leave her hair like enough where she have curls going around, and she wants full bangs. So Roxy wants full bangs. She want to leave it to where she can be able to itch her hair and all the other stuff. So Roxy's gonna get her hair done luxury style, and we're gonna get on the ball with this. So go ahead and relax. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't want to hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. Just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. So if this was my hair, I would like to grab the track super duper tight. Well, not tight to where your brain is coming out your head, but I would like put the track so tight to where the cap is not going to move. Oops, sorry guys. But I will put my tracks tight to where it's not going to move while I'm placing the tracks onto the cap, and I kind of just feel like it just gives it, you know, a say so of how I want my little tracks on here. But this is how I do it. Again, you guys can do your tracks however the way you want to do your own at home. This would be a good idea if you want to like not go to a beauty shop and you can get your hair done. So I did make it to where she had room to like go in, use the comb on it. I don't recommend using a comb on this because her cap is going to, you know, tear, and we're not going for the teary type of look.
Don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your